Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to clean your AC unit. This video will take you through the safe ways to clean your air conditioner without damaging it, so stick around for the best guide. First, unplug your AC from the power source. The air conditioner has live electric components that, when exposed, can cause an electrical shock, explosion, or even fire. If your air conditioner uses a dedicated circuit at the switchboard, turn off the circuit breaker. Otherwise, unplug the air conditioner power cord from a power source. Access your AC unit. Most outdoor air conditioners are covered with a grille to avoid damage to the delicate condenser fins. Identify the grille fasteners and loosen them using the right tools. The fasteners can be screws, so you will need screwdrivers to remove them. Clean the conditioner fins. Fins are thin, metal slats on the sideways of your AC unit. Run a vacuum cleaner nozzle over the fins to wash away debris that may have accumulated over time. Debris on the air conditioner may act as an insulator, preventing air from reaching outside and making it harder for the conditioner to cool your home effectively. Clean the conditioner fans. The fans are located at the top of your conditioner and are covered in a grate or metal wiring. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screws holding the metal wiring in place and lift the fan out of its location. You may only lift the fan out partially due to the wires connecting it to the motor. Rinse the fans with a garden hose to remove debris before wiping them with a rug or a cloth. Change the reusable filters twice a year. Some air conditioners have disposable filters. To ensure cleanliness, replace the filters at least twice a year. You can access the filter by removing the metal grate covering it and then pulling it out. The filter is located near the evaporator. However, if the filter is reusable, clean it instead of disposing it. You may need to follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to clean the reusable filter safely. Clean the air conditioner drain line. As the conditioner runs, it forms moisture that must be drained from the unit. The drain line helps it drain out the moisture. With time, the drain line may be clogged with dirt. Connect your wet-dry vacuum cleaner to the drain line draining point and suck the muck out. Reassemble the unit. Lastly, reassemble your AC unit. Ensure all parts, including the metal wiring and grate, are correctly reinstalled. Fasten the screws well enough to secure everything. So, there you have it. That is how you can clean your AC unit without damaging it. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.